Hello guys, my name is Aulianisa Oktavia. I'm from 12 Science 1 Senior High School Jambi. So, in this video, I want to show you how to make sticky rice tape. So, happy watching! First of all, wash the sticky rice until it's clean. Wash for 5 times or more. After the sticky rice is clean, soak it for 1 night. And it will get better if you put it in the dark place. After we chill the sticky rice, we need to put the yeast into sticky rice. Just make sure that we mix it well. When it's done, we need to put the sticky rice into the container that already covered with the banana leaves. We need to put the sugar water into the sticky rice. And cover it with the banana leaves again. And close the container. And after 2 days, this sticky rice tape will be done. So that was a step to make sticky rice tape. Hope you guys enjoy my video and goodbye.